Hi everyone, this is Piet. In this short video I want to show you how to become a 5-figure GrooveFunnel affiliate marketing specialist in a short time. As a matter of fact, I think we only have about 3 weeks to promote Groove before they close down their lifetime offer. So we need to take action now and fast because the launch will be over in 3 to 4 weeks. The first thing you need to do is to scroll down here and upgrade to Groove. The link is in the description. It is going to cost you $2,000, but don't panic. If you think you do not have the money right now, here's what to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your money back with 3 sales, and you're never ever going to pay $300 a month for all these tools when they put up the price. When you sign up, even for the free plan, you become an affiliate marketer automatically. Now with the Platinum Lifetime plan, you get 40% commission per sale. That is about $800 per sale. On the free plan you only get 20% commission, so you are going to waste $400 on every sale if you do not upgrade. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to use YouTube. If you are not a YouTuber, scared of being on camera or making videos using your voice, this is not going to work for you. You can see that I'm not putting myself on camera. Just make sure your audio is clear so that you can be heard. You can go on Zoom and screen share all of this. You will need to make about 1 video a day. 1 short 3-minute video a day. Start putting them up on YouTube and I will show you what to do with those videos. If you do what I'm going to show you now, you will be making a lot of money. First let me show you this. This is a keyword tool that shows you all the search for traffic on YouTube. I use this tool, and if you want to use it, I have a free plan, but the free plan is not showing all the data. The cost of this tool is about $10 per month, so you can buy it and cancel after a month. The link is in the description. I entered GrooveFunnels, and this is what the people are searching for. 49,880 people are searching for the word GrooveFunnels per month, and the competition is ridiculously low. While I'm scrolling down, you can pause the video and take screenshots of the keywords. Look at all the keywords of Groove. They are very low. All the keywords that are related to GrooveFunnels are low or very low. So what you can do is you can take these keywords and create videos around them. 3 to 10 minute videos are absolutely fine. The reason you need to do this now is that the people are going to look for these keywords during the launch. Create a video of every keyword here for the next 2 or 3 weeks. If you do it now, you are going to have all this real estate on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a course that will set you up for success. The course will show you how to create your videos and rank on page 1 of Google and YouTube. That is with the permission of Paul Murphy, the expert and developer of this course. The course has 4 modules and there are lessons inside each module. You can see on this page that he sells his course for $997, but you get it for free. And you will also get live weekly coaching for free. That is if you sign up through my link in the description. After you have signed up for the upgrade or the free plan, send me the receipt to the email in the description and I will send you the link for the course. Now isn't that amazing? All this for free. Thank you for watching. Please like my video, subscribe to my channel and the bell so that you can be notified when I post more videos like this.